Tara, let's celebrate Paskong Pinoy Barkada Festa here in Island Pacific. In-invite nila ako sa event na ito kaya super excited ako nang nag-reach out sila sa akin. This is a celebration of Filipino culture and the Christmas spirit. At syempre, we're bringing back to the community by bringing new toys para sa mga bata nangangailangan. This event was super fun. Ang daming food, especially Filipino food. May puto bongbong, bebingka, street food like fishball, kikiam, pansit, at kung ano-ano pa. In fairness sa PhilHouse, sila ang in charge sa food. Kaya grabe, ang sarap ng mga niluluto nila. Fresh at bagong luto lahat. How I wish nakain ko lahat kasi sobrang tempting. And I'm so glad din na nakita ko si Miss G because I'm so honored to meet her and the way she handled the event. It was super fun. May pabingo, palaro, at papremyo. At madami ding nanalo sa cash prize. At may DJ pa in the house. Kaya lahat kami nagsasayaw talaga. It was so fun. Ang happy-happy lang lahat ng senior, kids, empleyado, customer. At may pabitin din for the kids. Nakakamiss nyo ganitong event. Kasi usually sa Pilipinas ko lang siya nakikita at nagagawa. Kaya it really felt like festa. Ang saya-saya lang sa feeling na you are surrounded by so many Filipinos. Kaya thank you so much Island Pacific. It was a wonderful event.